money.
Because he have money.
Yes, for money he having a proud on him. Then after that, what he have given a gold to that person.
To that child.
Yes, and not a single word he have spoken with him about for the kindness. We speak something, that if the person is ill, so we spoke some kind words to give the sympathy.
Yes, ma'am.
That
That
Proudy man
how are
didn't
you?
speak a single word with him, and he has only given the gold to him.
Gold.
After the few days, the boy has recovered and went to that person.
And he returned the gold to that person.
Yes, he has given the gold to, but he has spoken a kindness, a sympathy word, and he being a thankful to that
Excuse me,
person. Being a, yes,
ma'am, what is the meaning of erect?
erect means to straight,
To?
straight,
Okay.
straight, ekdam straight. That he have
Okay.
returned back to that person, and he have given the gold back to him, and said
And
some
said,
kind words, and being a thankful to him that he was lying on the bed and he have
lying
given
on the
him
bed
money.
and
A same situation happened with him the next time also, but there was a poor man. He didn't have any money, but he have helped him. He have been a very kind
very
to him,
kind to her.
given a bread
Kind
to
to him.
eat, and he bound her head and he watched. उसकी क्या करी थी उसने? He have looked and take care of him at the day and night. After soon
And
the boy was recovered.
how shall him then
The boy has
he think
recovered,
that
but
how
now
shall
the
I
boy,
pay him back again?
yes, now the boy was worried about thinking how shall I will pay for that. कि
मैं
अगर
इसको
किसी ने
pay
मुझे
कैसे
money दी है,
करूँगा?
someone has given a money to me, I will return it back. मैं money तो वापस दे सकता हूँ. But what about the kindness? What the
about
thing?
the
How could I
kindness?
return it back? How? But
We can't return kindness.
it is great. Means money having a power, but the kindness is a greater than a money. पैसों से
Money.
बड़ी क्या चीज है? Kindness, दया.
Kindness.
So we couldn't return it back to the person. Okay, it is named the kindness refers to the heavenly, मतलब God के
Heavenly.
भगवान से बढ़िया the word sympathy. Now it's clear the summary of feeling of
Yes,
pity a
ma'am.
person in a trouble. Now what will I will share your screen. One by one, I will explain you the paragraph. All what you have to do, you have to write in your copy or just note in your rough copy. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to write in our English notebook.
Yes, English notebook. As just write a revision, mention the date, revision.
Okay. Ma'am, I did not done the. Ma'am, I did not done the homework you have given in the 4th chapter that do the
Very
exercise.
bad. Very bad, Navya. Now, just write the chapter number 6, the poem, sympathy, and the revision. Okay, I will explain you again the paragraph by paragraph with explanation. Explanation you will write in your copy. Okay?
Ma'am, I can do that exercise after summary of.
Yes, after summary you can do.
Okay.
Did you have written the summary of the poem Sympathy in your copy?
No, ma'am.
It's okay now. Ready,
After
everyone?
chapter number. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write revision.
Yes, you have to write revision at here like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Revision, then lesson number 6, Sympathy, the poem.
Sympathy.
First paragraph from your poem, I lay in sorrow. What is the meaning of lay? L-A-Y.
मैं रहता हूँ.
In sorrow. Sorrow is refers to the word sadness. In a deep distress. The boy, it refers for the which word? For the poet. या फिर boy किसके लिए refer हो रहा है? Poet के लिए. और वो poet is feeling depressed. He is feeling sad. My grief.
And unhappy.
Great sorrow. A poet is feeling, देखो. First, step by step, I will read the line. I will tell you the meaning. Then in a paragraph, I will explain you. I lay in sorrow the deep, depressed word. If I is typing just a 1 minute. Depressed.
You have write this summary. Ma'am, we have to write this first paragraph till I to word.
What you have to write, I lay in sorrow, deep depressed. A deep depressed refers to the word, the sadness of the poet.
First, we have to write this only.
Yes, you have to write like this only. Okay, I lay in sorrow, the deep depressed. My grief a proud, the man here. The poet is feeling very sad, or he was feeling very sorrow. And deep depressed means in a depression, you can say that in a sad mood. Sometimes we have, why we feel sad? In this poem, the poet is not feeling a physical healthy.
I lay
He's
in.
My grief. Grief refers to the word. What the word grief means? A great sorrow.
Great sorrow.
A proud man heard. मतलब अब now what happened? He was lying on the bed, and that time a proudy man heard. मतलब वहाँ पे कौन आता है? Proudy, a घमंडी person. And he was lying on the bed. अपने great sorrow में था poet. और उस समय कौन आया? Proudy man. A proudy man happened.
I have written till I lay in sorrow, deep depressed. After that, we have to write.
You have to write like this in your copy, बेटा. एक बार आप just note, आप answer लिखो. I will share you. आप screenshot ले लेना, है ना? Don't worry. Now, that time what happened? The poet is lying on the bed. He was feeling very great. He was in very great sad. अपनी sadness में था, and he was not happy due to his health. That time a proudy man refers for the wealthy person. किसके लिए? Proudy कौन होता है? घमंडी. किस चीज का घमंड था? He having a proud on for money. His looks were cold. और कैसा लग रहा था? He been looking a very cold, and that time what gift? He had give me a gold. A gold refers to the word. Which word? Gold refers to the word for money, but not a kindly word. In this paragraph, the poet was feeling, the poet, or you can say that the boy, it refers for the, यहाँ पे poem में poet के बारे में बात हो रही है. Okay? और वो क्या? He was lying on the bed. वो क्या? पलंग पे लेटा हुआ है, and he having a very great sorrow. वो बहुत sad है. He is not feeling happy. वो depressed है. So that time a proudy man refers for the healthy man, wealthy man. किसके लिए? एक wealthy man के लिए रेफर हो रहा है. मतलब वो पैसे एक घमंडी. और वो उसका नेचर कैसा था? A proudy. He having a very proud for his money. That time he was looking very cold. वो कैसा दिख रहा है? बिल्कुल cold and silent. और उस समय क्या करा? उसने सिर्फ उसको, the poet, or you can say that the boy, he gave a gold. और उसने उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए उसने उसको क्या दिया? गोल्ड. गोल्ड रेफर्स फॉर द मनी. उसने उसको पैसे तो दे दिए, बट नॉट अ काइंडली वर्ड. बट ही हैव नॉट स्पोकन एनी काइंड वर्ड और समथिंग. कहते ना किसी को दया के लिए वी हैविंग अ वेरी अनसेल्फिशनेस कह सकते हैं. वी गिव सम सिंपैथी टू द पर्सन टू ब्रिंग आउट फ्रॉम हिज डिप्रेशन. अगर कोई पर्सन डिप्रेस्ड है, ये सैड है, ये सॉरो में है, तो हम उसको कुछ अच्छे वर्ड्स बोलेंगे, काइंड वर्ड्स, जिससे वो क्या होगा? इट विल फील हैप्पी. वो जहाँ उससे डिस्ट्रैक्ट होगा. बट उस प्राउडी मैन ने क्या किया? अब देखो, once the poet was full of grief and very depressed, and the proud man heard about the poet problem. और उसने क्या किया? पोएट की सारी प्रॉब्लम about the health issues, the proudy man heard about that. Beta, please mute yourself. And the poet and came to help him. वो proudy man क्यों आया था? उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए. The proudy man offered him a money. और उसने उसको क्या दी? Money. But did not offer him a word of sympathy. Not word of sympathy means not a spoken a single word of kind to him. Clear? Paragraph number 1 is clear to everyone? Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, the screen is not sharing now.
No, I have stopped sharing the screen. I'm just asking you 1-2 questions. Did the paragraph number 1 is clear to everyone?
Ma'am, you are sending the PDF of this thing?
Yes, I will send it. But first, I'm asking you, the paragraph number 1 is clear to everyone? Just show me
Yes,
your thumbs up if yes.
Yes,
Payal,
ma'am.
no, she's okay. Payal, unmute yourself.
मैम
हाँ,
मैम मुझे नहीं समझ में आया।
नहीं आया, फिर से सुनो। ये पोएम है ना, इट इज अ पोएम अबाउट अ पर्सन, अ बॉय, और इसमें किसको, ये पोएट अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। ये चीज आपको क्लियर हो गई? अब वो क्या है, डिप्रेस है। आपको पता है जब हम बीमार होते हैं, व्हेन वी आर इल, वी फील डिप्रेस एंड सैड, होता है हमारे साथ।
Yes, ma'am.
पायल, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटा।
यस मैम।
है ना, the same situation happened with the poet also. He was feeling very depressed and sad. वो क्या था, बहुत depressed था, sad था, he was not happy at that time. उस समय क्या होता है, एक प्राउडी मैन आता है, अ प्राउडी मैन, यहाँ वर्ड है ना प्राउड मैन बुक में।
यस मैम।
तो ये प्राउडी मैन किसके लिए कहा गया, अ रिच पर्सन, एक जिसके पास बहुत सारी वेल्थ होती है, बहुत पैसा होता है, तो ही फील वेरी प्राउड ऑन हिम। क्या आ जाता है अपने ऊपर, घमंड आ जाता है। A same situation happened with that person also. A proudy man have come there. वहां पे वो आया था उसकी प्रॉब्लम के बारे में, उसकी हेल्प करने, ठीक है। बट उसने उसकी हेल्प किस तरीके से की, हाउ डिड ही हेल्प दैट पर्सन, हाउ डिड ही हेल्प द पोएट और द बॉय, बाय गिविंग। अब यहाँ पे क्या है, नेक्स्ट लाइन, हैव अ गोल्ड, गोल्ड देकर, पर गोल्ड यहाँ पे क्या वर्ड आ रहा है, गोल्ड एज अ मनी। The proudy man came there to help him, but he have कैसे हेल्प करी, he have given some money to him, उसने उसको क्या दिए, कुछ पैसे।
And he did not say
But
final
not a
word.
single word, but not a single word he have spoken, उसने कुछ भी सिंगल वर्ड उनको नहीं बोला। उसने जो प्राउडी मैन था, उसने पोएट से एक भी सिंगल वर्ड नहीं बोला, सिर्फ उसने उसको क्या दिए,
मनी।
money, but not a single word he have spoken with that person. Okay, now it's clear? अभी
Yes,
समझ में आ गया पैराग्राफ 1?
यस मैम।
Okay, just move on to paragraph number 2. My sorrow past. My sorrow means, अब poet कह रहा है, क्या कह रहा है, past means it have been come out from the sorrow. अब वो अपने दुख से क्या आ गया है, बाहर आ गया है। I paid him back. I paid. I कौन है, the poet, the boy. Paid him. Him कौन है, वो wealthy man, वो proudy man. Back. My sorrow past. मेरा दुख जो था, my illness has went away. Now I'm happy. I'm totally fit. I'm totally fit, and I paid him back. The poet has said कि I paid him back that money. मैंने उसको वापस क्या दिया, वो money जो उसने मुझे दी थी। The gold he gave to me. The gold refers to the money. The poet has said that I am recovered myself from my fault. He has recovered, and he has given the back that money that given by the proudy man. उस जो proudy घमंडी person ने उसको जो money दी थी, मैंने उसको वापस उसको return करा. Then stood he stood. Now he is able. Indirect means होता है straight, and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. Now the poet has standing straight there with the front of the wealthy person or proudy man. वो वहाँ पे कहाँ खड़ा था, उस proudy man के सामने खड़ा था, after he have recovered himself and he have went there. वो वहाँ पे क्यों गया था, उसकी मनी को रिटर्न करने, and being a thankful to him. He is standing straight there, offered the man, उसने उसकी मनी को रिटर्न किया, and spoke my thanks, means he have said, the poet या जो boy था उसने क्या किया, वापस उसने उसको thanks means किस चीज के लिए thank का, to helping him for during that the problem he was facing, उसको money दी, इस चीज के लिए उसने उसको क्या कहा, thanks, and blessed his charity, and given us blessed him for his help, जो उसने उसकी हेल्प करी, चैरिटी। और वर्ड चैरिटी मीन्स रेफर्स फॉर द सिंपैथी भी कह सकते हो, या उसने जो उसकी हेल्प करी थी उसके लिए उसने पोएट ने उसको क्या कहा, थैंक्स। व्हेन द पोएट रिकवर्ड, he went back to the man, repaid all the gold, means जो भी money उस poet ने उस man sorry, जो भी money poet को मिली थी from the person, wealthy person, जो wealthy person था, उसके through जो money he have get back, he have went there and stood straight, उस person के सामने एकदम सीधा खड़ा हुआ था and offered the man thanks. उसने उसको क्या कहा? He have been thankful to him for helping him and give the money back and blessed. उसने उसको क्या कहा? उसको thanks कहा उसकी charity के लिए, him for this help. अब उसको thankful रहा था. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Samya, you want to ask something? Ramshi, unmute yourself. Any problem in this paragraph? Tanvi, unmute yourself. Shanvi, unmute yourself, beta.
Ma'am,
Beta, I will give you the summary of the poem also. Just a wait. हाँ, बोलो.
में नेटवर्क चला गया था.
Okay, it's okay ना, network चला गया था. It's not a big deal. आ गया वापस network.
मैम आप एक बार स्टैंडर्ड 1 दिखा दो क्या वापस?
I will share it again. Now I am asking you the paragraph number 2. Did you have a all of you have been understand about the paragraph number 2. In the first paragraph, the man, the poet was lying on the bed in a deep sorrow. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
वो क्या था? वो बहुत ज्यादा परेशान था और वो अपनी बीमारी से थे. उस समय क्राउडी मैन आया, उसको पैसे दिए, उसकी हेल्प करी, बट नॉट अ काइंड वर्ड. सुना? Now he has moved on the paragraph number 2. The poet had been recovered himself. अब वो क्या हो गया था? पोएट जो था वो अपनी बीमारी से बाहर आ गया था. मीन अपने आप की हेल्थ क्या हो गई थी? रिकवर्ड हो गई थी. नव्या, पैराग्राफ नंबर 2 क्लियर नहीं हुआ? ओके, कोई बात नहीं. My sorrow past means in this first line the poet has said that कि I am recovered myself. अब मैं अपनी बीमारी से क्या हो गया? My sorrow, उसका दुख क्या था? उसका sorrow क्या था? उसका sadness क्या था? उसकी बीमारी, वो बीमार था तभी तो नहीं था. Yes. अब past means उसकी जो बीमारी थी वो क्या हो गई है? He had been recovered himself. वो अपने क्या हो गया? Recovered हो गया. अब वो recover हो गया, then he had went. वो कहाँ जाता है? उस प्राउडी मैन के पास. I paid him back. अब वो कहता है I am recovered myself. I paid him back. अब मैं वापस उस पर्सन के पास गया, उस प्राउडी मैन के पास, and I've returned him back the gold he gave me. जो भी गोल्ड, जो मनी उसने मुझे दी थी, the poet had been went there or returned the back. The money is given by the proudy man. जो भी प्राउडी मैन ने उसको मनी दी थी वो उसको वापस क्या करने गए? उसको रिटर्न करने गए. Who? The poet. When he was recovered. जब वो ठीक हो गया था. क्लियर हो गया? But अब you have to understand and compare the both paragraph last 2 lines. सुनो. Then he stood in track means he was standing up straight. वो क्या था? एकदम प्राउडी मैन के सामने सीधा खड़ा हो जाता है. उसने उसकी मनी को रिटर्न करी. He have returned back the money to him and spoke my thanks. और उसने उसको क्या कहा? Thanks. For what he have given the thanks? नव्या, किस चीज के लिए थैंक्स कहा था उसने?
Ma'am, for her kind help.
For the kind help. For he have not spoken a single word of the kindness. उसने उसको कुछ नहीं बोला था. For kind help, how he have helped the person?
Giving gold.
Given a gold, or you can say that money. Yes, but rich man ने उसको कुछ भी kindness word नहीं बोले थे. सिर्फ he have given, he have helped the person by giving the money. ठीक है. But when the poet went there, he have returned back the money to that person and he have been thankful to him. उसने उसको क्या बोला? कि thank you for that. But at the last line, what he have said? Blessed his charity. Now, bless his charity means he has spoken a kindness word or sympathy word, are you being very thankful to him, to that person, कि आपने मेरी हेल्प करी. अभी समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
hmm?
Ma'am, in the last you will tell what we have to write in the notebook.
Beta, I will tell each and everything, but now focus on that what I am explaining you.
Ma'am, I've understood the stanza second.
Second paragraph is clear to everyone. Just show me your
Yes,
thumbs
ma'am.
up.
Stanza third. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now move on to paragraph number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
I involve. अब same, अब क्या होता है देखो, first situation ऐसी थी, जो एक crowdy man आया था, एक घमंडी person, and the poet को उसने पैसे दिए, and the poet had been returned back him after he had been recovered, and the poet has spoken a kind word to him and given us lots of thanks for helping him during when he was sad. And now our next paragraph, our next situation happened with the poet. एक दूसरी situation happen होती है poet के साथ. I lay in a want and grief and my pain. Now again the poet is grief. अब वो वापस क्या है? वापस sad है, pain है. Means again he has been suffering from a, you can say that sorrow of pain. ठीक है? उस समय अब now a poor man passed my way. अब उस समय कौन आया उसके पास में? A poor man. कौन आया? एक poor man who didn't have any money has passed my way. He had just passed my way. He bound my head.
But he helped her from her kindness.
He bound my head. What is the meaning of bound?
Ma'am, matlab.
What is the meaning of bound? A limit or range?
Yes, ma'am.
He bound my head. मतलब वो मेरे एक poor man वहाँ पे पास हुआ जब he was feeling sad and he was in grief, he having a pain, he was suffering from a, you can say some disease or something from the pain, वो sad ही था, दुखी था. But right now that the person, a poor man, have been passed from there. गरीब व्यक्ति, he didn't have any money, but he bound my head. वो उसके पास आके a limitation, you can say a limit range में उसके head के उसके just पास में आया. He gave me a bread. He gave me a bread refers to the food. और उसने उसको आके क्या दिया?
Food, bread.
He gave me a bread. A bread is refers for the word, you can say that a
Food.
A person who didn't have any money, but he was a very, आप देखो अब इनको compare करोगे ना,
Kind person.
Kind person. Just compare the person from the proudy man and the
poor man.
है ना? He watched me night and day. अब उसने उसकी देखभाल करी. He take care of that poet, you can say the boy who was suffering from a grief or pain, having a sad. A poor man sit there. He gave me some food to eat. He watched me night and day. और उसने उसकी रात दिन क्या करी उसकी? Care करी.
Care करी.
After him for day and night. मतलब जब तक वो सही नहीं हो गया, तब तक उसने उसकी क्या करी पोएट की? जब तक he have not regained his health. वापस एकदम अपनी regain अपनी health से एकदम ठीक नहीं हो गया, जब तक उस poor person ने he helped the poet. Okay?
He also offered him food to restore.
The poet was lying in sorrow and
Ma'am,
हमने stanza 4 दो बार लिख रखा है.
हाँ लिख रखा है stanza 3. Now it will come stanza 4 ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the poet is lying in sorrow and a pain. वो poet क्या एक sorrow में है, दुख में है, pain में. उस समय क्या होता? A poor man saw it and took care of him. Okay? He also offered a food to restore the poet health. उसने उसको खाना दिया, उसकी देखभाल करी, उसकी take care करी, उसने उसको help किया, उसको अपनी regain the health. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, this stanza is very easy.
Okay, it's clear to everyone. The paragraph number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very easy.
Now we will move on the last paragraph of your poem.
Stanza 4.
Stanza 4.
Ma'am, this is the last paragraph.
Yes, it's your last paragraph.
Ma'am, there are only 4 stanzas.
It is
How
being
shall I?
आप इसको कह सकते हो 2 lines का pair बना सकते हो. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
How shall I pay? अब now देखो, how shall I pay him back again? ठीक है, आपने सेकंड पैराग्राफ में पढ़ा था my sorrow past, मतलब poet has been recovered, वो सही हो गया था. I paid him back. I paid him back means he have given the money back to the wealthy person. Now in a fourth stanza, the poet is asking a question from him. वो अपने आप से question पूछ रहा है. How shall I pay him back again? मैं अब उसको कैसे पे करूंगा? अब उसको कोई money तो दी नहीं थी. He have not given a money to him. What he have given?
Kindness.
Kindness. Is, you can say without selfishness he have helped the poet.
And we can't pay back
So
kindness.
all he did to me, जो भी उसने मेरे लिए किया without any selfishness, how could I pay for back? मैं उसको वापस कैसे return करूंगा? Oh, gold is great. Oh, gold is great. कहता है हाँ ठीक है, money is a great, money is everything. मतलब you can say, but
kindness
far,
is greater than gold.
Greater far, it's heavenly as empathy. Means कि money is a great, मानते पैसे हैं जरूरी हैं, it being a great,
but the kindness is greater than gold.
Greater, उससे ज्यादा क्या है?
Kindness.
और kindness, जो उसने सीधा किस चीज के लिए इंडिकेट किया? heavenly means God के लिए. कि अगर कोई इंसान अपनी दया दिखा रहा है, सिंपैथी दिखा रहा है for a poor man, or you can say that for a person who has depressed, he was feeling sad, he is giving his time without any selfishness. तो ये चीज क्या है? भगवान जैसी बड़ी है. It is a greater as a God.
As a God.
Money is great, but sympathy is greater than.
Is greater than money.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, stanza 3 and 4 is very easy.
What is the meaning of replay? Replay means to.
Ma'am, वापस देना.
Yes.
To
A self
pay back.
He realized that money is greater thing, but kindness is a heavily act that cannot be easily repaid.
मैम ये जो मैम ने लिख रखा है the word values, मैम ये भी मैम कॉपी में राइट डाउन करना है?
नहीं, you know, it's up to, ये आपको
The
मैंने
poor man. The poor man.
Main theme
help in
main
selfless kindness.
Thing in this poem, or the main point that we have covered, सबसे important thing है ये, the values. आप हर चीज में से कुछ ना कुछ learn करना. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.
The poet was lying in a sorrow and a pain. Okay. A poor man saw him and took care of. He offered. ये देखो ये last इसी paragraph को repeat है. जो value निकल के आई है ना, चारों पैराग्राफ की सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो वर्ड, द वैल्यू जो which we have learned from this poem sympathy about the poor man, that he have took care of the poet without any selfishness. Clear?
Ma'am, in the last there is written in the poem sympathy, the poet described the incidents happened with him.
Where beta?
Ma'am, under the summary.
Describe the incident happened.
Ma'am, here.
It is a summary of the poem now that I have written. अब ये देखो.
Oh my God, it's very bad.
ठीक है, it is all the summary of the poem.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
बस आप, it's up to you. आपको अगर screenshot लेना है, अगर paragraph by paragraph, you have to explain. Only write the summary in your copy. It is sufficient for you.
Ma'am, if we want to write, we have to write this.
Only you will write the summary in your copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Just take a
Ma'am, I will write. Ma'am, I will write.
In the poem Sympathy, poet described the incident happened with him. जो भी उसके साथ हुआ एक incident, the poet have shared about that. Once he was lying on the ground due to some incident or some problem, or you can write in your own words also. अगर आपको पूरी poem अगर समझ में आ गई है अच्छी तरीके से, just write in your own words. That suppose आप अगर खुद लिखोगे, तो it will be much better.
Ma'am, we can write the summary in our language.
Yes, you can write in the summary in your own words. If you are able to, आपको मैंने पूरे चारों paragraph explain कर दिए.
Yes, ma'am. I will write.
Then share to me. Then I will read. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, tomorrow is holiday.
We get the note.
Ma'am, tomorrow is holiday.
No idea about that. We will get a circular from the school.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in our next class or tomorrow's class.
Saturday में holiday होता है हमारा.
Saturday, I don't know. Okay. Now, poem Sympathy is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Okay.
easy.
Ma'am, tomorrow we will read story of Shushan boy if there
Nice.
is no
So we
holiday.
will do the question answer of poem Sympathy. Okay.
बट मैम मेरे तो हो रखे हैं मैम, कविता मैम ने करवा दी थी.
It's okay,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
We will check it again. हम इसको answer को we will read the answer. We will discuss it. Then if
What
anyone
gift
having
did
a
the proud
problem,
man?
words जैसे होते हैं, you are not able to learn, कुछ थोड़ा compare, I will make it simpler for you. Okay.
What gift
Yes,
did the
ma'am,
proud
thank
man give to the
Now,
poet?
anyone having any query, you may ask me.
No, ma'am.
No ma'am.
Poem clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You are able to explain that poem to anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am. Bye.
Okay,
Bye,
just
ma'am.
and just take a break now. After 10 minutes, I think you're having your class now.
Yes, ma'am. Maths.
Take care and please be health conscious about your health also. Nowadays, the viral has been very spread. Viral बहुत फैल रहा है ना? Just
Yes,
take some healthy food, drink lots of water. At least कम से कम. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. And bye.
Go and
Bye.
one glass water. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Ma'am, leave the class.
मैम खुद गई.
अच्छा. अब कौन सी मैम आएगी?
मैथ्स से असिस्टेंट.
हाँ, यही लग रहा है.
अपन दोनों अनम्यूटेड
मैथ
हैं.
है. हाँ, मैथ, एसएसटी, फिर ममता भारत मैम आएगी.
मैं अनम्यूट हूँ, तू अनम्यूट है और पायल अनम्यूट है.
काम करूँ तो ऐसे ऐसे
पायल भी म्यूट है क्या?
हाँ, शायद वीडियो बंद कर रखा है पायल ने. हाँ, पायल.
या फिर इंग्लिश ग्रामर की मैम भी आ सकती है.
नहीं नहीं, पीरियड ही नहीं है.
नहीं क्या?
एसएसटी
कल
है
ना रात के
मैथ्स
10
से.
बजे रिपोर्ट आई थी.
हाँ, मैं भी बहुत देर तक जगी थी.
मैं तो हम तो 11 बजे सोते हैं. कल रात के 10 बजे वर्क रिपोर्ट आई थी. कौन वर्क करता 10 बजे?
तूने नहीं करा?
मैं कहाँ करती 10 बजे वर्क. 10 बजे तो सोने का टाइम होता है. आधे लोग तो नहीं सुनाते.
मैंने तो
10
कर
बजे
लिया.
अगर शाम को भेजते तो मैं रात को कर भी लेती वर्क.
मैंने तो कर लिया था.
कर लिया था रात के 10 बजे. वैसे तो हमेशा शाम को ही भेजता है. मेरे पापा का मोबाइल पे आती है वर्क रिपोर्ट.
मेरा मैथ्स में काम कंप्लीट नहीं है.
मेरा भी नहीं है.
सिर्फ चैप्टर 7 हो रखा है
मेरा बाकी
और
हिंदी में
2.
तो है. और मैम ने ना इंग्लिश ग्रामर में ना चैप्टर 1 रीडिंग स्किल्स नहीं 31 और 34 भी
सब भेज
वेबसाइट
दिए
पे.
कल ही.
मैं तो कर लूंगी. कल ही भेज दिया था. नहीं आज ही भेज, पता नहीं कब भेजा है. मैंने वेबसाइट पे देख लिया. मैं भी कर लूंगी बाद में. क्लास करने के बाद कर लूंगी.
ट्वेंटी 22 बच्चे.
बस
I am also leaving.
पायल से भी अनम्यूट है. आवाज कहीं क्या है? अठारह बच्चे हैं क्लास में।
दो तीन बोली मूर्ति की उड़ा दे Mose, this is para Greek. Vean ya la segunda llamada.
बारह बज के 4 मिनट हो गए।